time to fire her up. I'm so excited to see if she starts. Welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. Today is part 2 of the El Camino vid. I am so freaking pumped. Like, I'm so excited. I'm in the Subaru, but let's just forget about the Subaru today because we are working on the El Camino. I just pulled her out of the garage just to give us a little bit more room in there to work on that. So, it's like these are my pups. We got Mimsy. She's a Presa Canario mix. She's super huge. She's bigger than my pit bull mix, and yeah, she's a year old, so she's tiny, but she also huge. Yes. And then we got Yuma. He is a lover. Yes, he is. An old lover.
Spark plug socket, pull number 1.
Spark plug socket, pull number 1. I think we, didn't we have it?
Still out.
I was gonna say, didn't we have this?
Ah, yep. And the ratchet, maybe.
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Bam, bam. He honestly could have got this done in like 15 minutes. I do not doubt it one bit. But with me asking questions and him having to answer them, it definitely took a lot longer. But I cannot thank you enough, man.
So a trick to these is if you're not lined up, you can go 1 tooth at a time and it'll slowly turn.
Okay.
Those marks are still lined up over there, right?
Yep.
Cool.
Still good to go.
We are winning.
Yeah. There was a new coil. It's somewhere in there. Legit.
Boom.
We'll take it.
Yep. Yeah, shine it.
Boom.
Closer and closer.
We're getting closer and closer. Woo!
Good burn. Plus one. Got a little ahead of myself.
So that's what I get confused about. Which wire goes to which thing? Like, it's too much. It's a lot.
Power and ground go to the distributor, and then you got your B plus switch, 12 volt. Comes from the car, but it has to be hot during crank and run.
Okay.
If it's not, you won't have spark during one or the other.
No doubt.
And it has to be 12 volt. That's 7.
Alright.
If you have a ballast resistor, you gotta take that out. And using some adjustable. I got the metric adjustable. Gotta flip it over though.
If I flip it over, I understand. I just love your sense of humor. It's awesome. It's so good.
Oh wait,
a Phillips? That stupid wire. Let's tuck it into somewhere.
Yeah, that one caused all the problems.
Yeah. It's time to fire up. I'm so excited to see if she starts. We replaced the distributor. Didn't have to retime it, but if it sounds like it's firing off, then you time it.
Yeah, and then we can check timing.
Okay.
And then eventually, when we swap pull the distributor again,
and redo it all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which that one we'll do it all.
Yeah. It'll be easy though. Yeah.
So. Yeah.
But this is just to get it like firing. Like we just want to hear it running.
Yeah.
Yes. Exactly.
Let's get it some life.
No doubt.
All right. This pump, we need to realign it at some point. See how it's off?
Oh.
This needs a spacer back here to pull it this way. So you see how this is kicked back?
Yeah.
So it'll squeal and make all
right, no doubt.
So, but it just needs to be aligned
a little bit further, no doubt.
All right, it's ready to run. You want me to spray it?
Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah. We understand the starter's bad. Oh my god. This is the most progress I've heard. That was amazing though. Oh my god. I'm gonna get this hot rod running. Gonna put in the new mini starter. 9/16.
I got it.
I was gonna say.
You have electric tools?
Yeah.
Out on me. Yeah, perfect.
Right on. Cool.
That one's gonna be tricky.
You wanna? What are you thinking?
You have a wobble socket?
I think I do.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be nice.
I was gonna say, I could be completely wrong on what a wobble socket is, but is that?
Yeah, so this is a universal adapter, but same deal.
It'll work?
It'll work.
All right.
Boom.
Yes! Fuck yes. So how many bolts are on that starter?
2 bolts, and then we gotta get the B+ cable off.
Okay.
And then the solenoid wire.
Alright.
Which is tricky with long tube headers.
That's probably why you left it that way.
Yeah. A little tricky. Might pull that.
The positive?
Yeah, now I can just lay it on the floor.
You got one?
Hey, bro.
Yeah, people go flying around here, man.
It's a full send.
That
was full sending.
So different. Let's see, like, is this?
Oh, yeah.
Is this the kind of shit that you're
that's
looking
exactly
for? Yes! I did something right.
2 something or something. Boy, those are stuck.
So some of them probably haven't been used for a decade, I don't doubt. Hell yeah. Nice. Okay.
Oh.
So it's just one there?
Yeah, and then there's 2 here.
Okay.
Clock. Send it.
And then what, it should match up the holes better, I suppose?
Well, so this will move this over and hopefully we get
Be away from the header, no doubt.
Yeah, and then it'll line up to the hole.
That makes sense. What are the odds it'd be a 10?
Boom.
It's a 10? Oh my god.
We're mixing shit.
You're lucky I had a 10 in there.
Everyone knows
I know.
a 10. It's the rarest socket.
It is. Bright glass for the 10.
Looks like it's offset. Okay.
Interesting.
Yeah. Neat.
Huh. Very interesting.
So let's which way that plate needs to go. But this might that edge on that one side. I don't have a choice. Let's see what the heck these bolts are. Cylinder to cylinder. Really cornered.
That just like
A little bit off. Trying to adjust the old timing.
it was nice to hear.
Runs like shit.
It runs like shit.
Well, that's what will end up happening because the distributor will have to come out to replace the intake.
Okay.
So then it's like, well, you do that.
Yeah.
It's like time it.
Might as well do that after everything,
Pick
yeah.
one of those 2 to go center, and we'll tune it. So time it, tune it, and then this thing, you're ready to rock and roll.
Fuck yeah. Okay, you guys, you heard it. We got it running. It did not sound the best, ain't gonna lie, but we do know that we need to retime it and everything. So we are gonna wait because I've decided that as much as my dad wanted the whole dual carb spacers, you know, wanted that look, it's just not logical for this car. Like, there's just too much delay and like you're waiting for fuel. You're always waiting for fuel. And it's, I just want a reliable car that I can rip his grandkids around like he wanted in, you know, and take it to some car shows and possibly even Vandermeer, but it's just not working, you know? So I decided that I'm going to go back to a single carb, change the intake out. We heard it run though, it fired, and that is like so freaking exciting. It has been such a journey, and I'm just so freaking happy that it happened today because I'm sick of waiting. But we got it done. Thank you so much, Dustin. You're literally the best. Like, taught me so much, man, and just the knowledge, it's like, you know, can't put a price on it. So, thank you very, very much. Oh. God, that was stupid. Next time, we will get going on this bad boy. It'll be ripping in no time, and I'm just super stoked for that. Piece by piece, step by step, a little bit of progress here and a little bit there. It's gonna get done, just like this car. We got talks going on with that car. So much to do, so little time. Anyways, it is way past my dinner time. Not even close to my bedtime, but it is past my dinner time. So I can feel the hangry kicking in, and I am ready to go get some food. So just can't thank you guys enough for joining me on this little part 2 of getting the El Camino running. I promise it's all gonna be worth it in the end. Super stoked.